Big up yourself every time. Good vibes, beautiful people. All right. Yeah. So, thank you so much for the time. Very effective recipe right here. So we got the parsley right here. All right. Breaking news with the recipe. Yeah, no, good recipe, guys. All right. You can use vinegar, or you can use baking soda. We're gonna put a little bit inside of it. Over the parasite, anything on it. I know it already. You have to wash off the ingredients, then, guys. All right. Some people don't like to wash the ingredients, but my advice: make sure you wash your ingredients. All right. Yeah, man. See that? Yeah, make sure you wash them off. Some water. Lovely. All right. So once you wash them off, what you're gonna do next, just leave it for a few minutes. All right. So let's put this one aside. Get the cooker on. Lovely. Medium size pot. It's not gonna be a long video tonight. Because you know people have to go to work tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is Monday morning. So we're not gonna hold up on the time. We're gonna process it up by using hot water. Lovely. So that's some hot water right there. If you guys want to see exactly what Chef Ricardo have been doing, I'm using hot water. Bless up yourself, Scott. In the building. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Yeah. A good vibe. So we're gonna get the ginger washed off and grate the ginger. Right. This is the ginger. Make sure you wash them off back good, alright? Yeah, man. Yeah. You can see that. All right, now we're gonna get the lemon. All right. Yeah. So this is the lemon. This is just the lemon. See that? Just zest the lemon just like this. Yeah, good vibes. Once you zest the lemon, very powerful recipe I'm giving it tonight. I'm gonna use half of the lemon. right? Look at this. Let's put the rest of the lemons into the water, just like that. Good vibes. Lovely, beautiful people. So it's a simple little recipe. I just decided to share with you guys tonight, and it's a very eating recipe too. All right, and I know you guys, someone will want to try and make this at home. You know what I mean? Because it's a unique recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Let's get the parsley washed off. So what you want to do with the parsley, once you wash it off, you want to cut it up. So this is the parsley. Cut it up and put it straight into the water like that. Lovely. So as you can see, we got the parsley, we got the zest of the lemon, we put some ginger inside of it. Now is you to take some action in your kitchen at home. You don't have to think about weight loss. It's not about detoxing the system. You know what I mean? Like today, a Sunday, I work for people like rice and peas and chicken, oxtail, cow foot, rundown, curry goat, curry lamb, mashed potato, coleslaw, detox the body, you know what I mean? Very important. Yeah, as you guys can see, simple little recipe, but very unique. Right, so you don't want it to boil, you know what I mean? You just want it to jar. So I'm using hot water. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the cooker and cover it like this. Allow it for it to sweat a little bit with that heat underneath it. All right, you don't have to boil it. You can also jar it if you want to jar it. Cut up the ingredients, put it in a cup, pour the hot water on it, and you're good to go. Good vibes. Lovely. Also, you can make smoothie from it. All right. Nice one. So you don't have to like boil it like what Chef Ricardo have been doing. You can also make a smoothie. If you want me to do the smoothie version, please let me know and we can do the smoothie version. Yes, beautiful people, we got the breaking news. You might not see what's going on around here, but let's make you guys can see it. So get yourself one of these at home. And you know what I mean, as I say, the only thing you can do is support, you know what I mean? And trust me, nothing on earth can be supporting at them a time, yeah. You know what I mean? So many things are happening all over the world. But here, Chef Ricardo and you guys tonight, we don't have to worry. We just have to give God thanks that we are here, can support with one another. You know what I mean? Because a lot of things are going on all over the world. And I must see them on the TV, on the news all over the world. Things are happening. So the only thing we can say to you guys, give God thanks and support. Pray for one another. Pray for your family, your friends. Pray for your enemy. Pray for your neighbor. And ask God, you know what I mean, to intercept with us. Because trust me, that come up to Christmas, the enemy, you get loose. You might do what you can do right now because the time is very short. I don't know if you guys can see exactly what's going on all over the world right now. The time is short, guys. Every day, the day they might get shorter and shorter. If you don't see that, well, you need to get a new eyeglass. All right? Yeah, the day they might get shorter and shorter. Every day as they wake up, you go to work, you come home, you sleep. You wake up, you go home, you go to work, you wake up, you sleep. Look up under our eyes. All right? A good vibes. That's the message for the night. Breaking news, that one. Here it is. Still have it right here. And that's what's going on. All right? Yeah, man. That's the tea right there, guys. Fantastic and an amazing. How often should I drink this? Can drink it 2 times a day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. It all depends on your immune system. But if you're on medication, make sure you are seeking medical advice. You know what I mean? Ingredients, ginger, lemon, parsley inside of it, as you can see. All right, but very, very, very powerful recipe. Okay, now tonight we're going to be doing it a different way. All right. So this is how we're going to be doing it tonight. And that's why I want you guys to make sure when you're watching the video then. And we're going to pour it off. Hold on the first, Chef Ricardo, before you pour it off. Jen, what ears is it? Big up yourself. Jen just coming on the show. Rosie, big up yourself. Squeeze Thompson, thank you so much. Bless up yourself. Your book. And okay, it seems here in Florida. Oh, I need to see that message. Big up yourself. Don't worry yourself. If you're, where's my order? Yeah. Big up all the people and what support. Yeah, because I like to share the recipe, the ingredients them over on my shorts. All right. So we're going to. Before we go any further, here it is. We got some honey. All right. This is good for weight loss. This is only good for weight loss. Parsley is good for weight loss. Ginger, good for weight loss. Lemon, very good for the boosts the immune system. And we have honey, good for your gut. And we have one more ingredient I'm going to put inside of it. That's one is a secret recipe from Chef Ricardo. So this is what you're going to need to do. So you guys need to write down the ingredients. All right. Let's pour it out. All right. And it's not even a lot neither, you can see. All right. Lovely, Chef Ricardo. So we're gonna get some honey right here. 1 teaspoon of organic honey. This is good, proper organic honey. Mix it out inside of it. And after you do that, you need to do this. All right. Get yourself an organic tea bag. This is a green tea bag. And put it inside of it. and leave it inside of it for a few minutes to dissolve. Good vibes. You see that? Beautiful people. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Parsley is many different things can do for your immune system. Lower your blood pressure, weight loss, and also detoxing. Ginger is very good for help you with your cholesterol level. Is also very good. This is a very good recipe. That's why I say I put a green tea bag. Green tea bag is very good if you are using organic green tea bag. Very good for weight loss, especially if you do it in the way. And parsley is not only for high blood pressure, it's also give you a good night sleep, and it helps to detox the body also. So there's thousands of things parsley can do. It's very good for the immune system. Doing a mixture like this can help you in weight loss and detoxing the body also. All right. But if you want to lose weight, it's important for you to eat very healthy. It's important. All right. But this one, Pacific, is good for weight loss. All right. Now, if you have a heavy, say if you're a diabetic person, I would encourage you to put any honey inside of it, because honey may spark your diabetic up a little bit more. So just drink it natural like that. All right. Yeah, man. So good vibes. So make sure you put one of these green tea bag inside of it. What going to make the difference in this beautiful cup of tea today from Chef Ricardo, as you can see it for yourself. What do you guys think? Leave your comments and tell me exactly what do you think about my an amazing